Hi, today I'm explaining about another animation principle. Okay, so let us check what are these. So here we have total 12 animation principle. Okay, but yesterday order wise just I mistaken that. So instead of that 10th number, I have to give the 10th number for the exaggeration principle. For the yesterday's the before class assignment was exaggeration. For that I have to give the number 10. Okay, but I gave 11th number mistakenly, so it is a 10th. So here I divided follow through and overlap lines into two different principles, but the both are interlinked because the between these two follow through and overlapping action they almost look like same to same. Okay, so that is the reason include into the each other follow through and overlapping action included as a one principle only. Okay, and then for that secondary action, straight ahead, slow over, arcs over, slow in, slow out over. So that is the reason overlapping action is separated previously. That is the reason it takes then another number. So now I converted into 1 as a 1 only. So now the number wise, instead of 11 for exaggeration, it is 10th. Okay, 10th is for exaggeration. Now today then another assignment is 11th one, solid drawing, solidness. So solid means what? By simply by that word solid we are understanding good drawing, simply excellent, the good drawing. Let us check that. Yes, solid drawing is the animation principle which makes the drawing looks three-dimensional and believable with the volume, weight and balance. This requires the knowledge of drawing a subject three-dimensionally. With solid drawings we will able to draw figure from any side, which will help in animating your drawing. So you will be able, so it is 2 times it is came. You will able yes, you will able to draw figure from any side, which will help in animating your drawing. That is very important. Okay, so that is the reason in all animation institute, animation colleges, so whatever the institute, what is the college. Okay, so first for the animation student, the initial step in primary stage in first terms we teach drawing, okay, sketching, anatomy, perspective drawing, character designing and digital painting and design visualization, concept development. So this is the reason they are all included. Okay, so in this perspective drawing is very important. Okay, perspective drawing, with this perspective drawing only we create the depth in drawing. Okay, so when you place the background on background, you can place your characters, okay, according to your perspective background. You have to place the characters accordingly. Okay, so perspective drawing we create the characters three-dimensionally, not on a flat surface. So that is the reason whatever you draw, sometimes generally when you draw anything, so because here I don't have the Wacom actually it is not working unfortunately. So with the mouse we cannot draw properly. With the mouse it is not possible. Okay, anyway, the see, when you draw for the animation we are using these grids, okay, to place eyes, okay, and for the nose, for the eyes, nose, and placement of the mouth, we are using this. Okay, so I am not using vacuum pad, so it is not working, okay, unfortunately. So three-dimensional, I'm trying with a mouse. Okay, the three-dimension means this is the three-dimension with this this arcs, or otherwise this grid is creating three-dimensional effect. Suppose this area is more and this area is lesser. Okay, so here this eye can appear bit bigger than this because it is there at corner point. Okay, obviously it is bit smaller than this one. Okay, the same way whatever you place this side, it can be more bigger here, and this size is very less. So because we are using the perspective. Okay, so perspective is always very important for making creating characters. Okay, here the solidness we have to prepare. So for that, suppose if I take some examples here, so few of my drawings here, so you check here, yeah, the solidness. So if you see this, okay, even it is a single drawing, okay, there is a the proper, the line of action is there, the curve, okay, and the balance is there, nice balance, the whole balance on this leg, and this is the counterbalance. Okay, and between these parts nice silhouette also there. Silhouette means the clarity in drawing. Okay, between the body parts maintain clarity. Okay, and the proportion, size relationship between body parts, so head, hands, and the other legs and overall body proportionately drawn. And here the expression, so expression of character also very important. Okay, and here I mentioned the light and shadow. So suppose light is falling one side, this side here, and the shadow is creating in opposite direction. Suppose see, because if even it is rough, okay, but the solidness and with good expression pose, it is creating that. Okay, so when you draw this in 2D or 3D, you can build this. If you take this into the production, we add all the light and shades and the three-dimensional effect. If you see here, see at head area, this is the line, the dividing the center line between these two eyes, and this is the area, the more area our side is, this is the less part. Okay, so in perspective we have to do all these things. Okay, and then if you check the other things also, there is everything, the solidness, the solid drawing is important. So that is the reason we are taking the art classes, perspective drawing, suppose for anatomy drawing, perspective drawing, character designing, and storyboarding, and visualization, concept development, digital painting. Next I mean storyboarding, and finally animation we are doing. Okay, so that is the reason the drawing portion, drawing part is playing very crucial role in animation. So without learning this, the drawing part or sketching things, it is not possible to build an animation, because in animation the characters are there. So, okay, by illusion we have to create these characters by your own. See, this is one of the characters model sheet. Yes, with this we have to create the model. Suppose see, this is a normal sketch, but here the solidness is there, the mass. If you see this, it is look like a 3D surface, because that the shades and the curves maintained here. So that is the reason everything it look like a 3D. So even it is a sketch also. And here if you see this drawing, the solidness is there. See, this is the front pose 1/3, and suppose profile 3/4 and back pose. So for animation entertainment, for animation or gaming side also, we have to create these poses, okay, without creating these poses. So turnaround model sheet, if you say it is a turnaround model sheet, with this turnaround model sheet we create the animation, okay. Not with a single drawing, we cannot, not possible for animation, okay. So this is the volumes are there, okay. Perspectives are there, expression is there, okay, and the pose, solid pose is there, everything nicely maintained. And here if you see this is also, here we have a nice the character, Chitragupta character, okay. This is the front one, this is 1/3, and side profile pose, okay. So between this the front pose and 1/3 pose, we create here the another pose, okay, and between this and this we'll create another pose, okay. So these are the character model sheets, turnaround model sheets, and these are the poses, okay. So learning and practicing in drawing is playing a crucial role in animation, okay. These are very rough drawings, but they're showing the solidness and the nice expression we maintained, okay. So these are characters, see them. Yeah, this is character, one character for production, gave it this character for the production. So even it is a 2D character, but if you see this, because of the light and shades we maintained, okay, it look like a 3D object, okay. And see everything nicely rendered, beautifully decorated, okay. So these are for one production. Previously I made this. This is a cartoon. Yeah, see this. It's very nice solid drawing. So these are the different poses of the same character. So that is means the solid drawing means what? As an artist, as an animator, you must know the artistic talent. So without that, there is no meaning for learning animation. Nothing will be there, okay. So the beautiful the characters, you also have to do all these things. This is the character. Okay, so the solidness means what? The fine drawing. Solidness means what? Finally, very good fine drawing. So just you can delete this. And suppose these are the characters, other characters. If you see this is a character. This is I created one pose for the animation. Okay, and even this is, yeah, this is one more chart. We are ready for the task. Yeah, the baseline one story, I created these characters, okay. So this is called what? A size relationship, because between the characters. So how many characters are involving in a production? So those characters we can place side by side, okay. Then we understand actually the proportions between them. So which one is taller and smaller, okay, and the age, so between, so that is very important to understand their appeal, okay. And suppose this is, yeah, this is I made for a logo purpose. Okay, see, these are suppose if you see this, double click here and double click here. See, these are the characters one by one. This is the front pose, and this is the 1/3 one, and this is profile side, and this is 3/4, and this is complete back, and again from back to it is returning, coming to our camera side. Okay, see, same pose I copied, this pose I copied, but reversed this side, and it is turning our side, and after this the front pose will come. Okay, so if you check this by control enter, will understand this. See, very beautiful. This is turnaround. Okay, so turnaround animation, it is possible with only turnaround model sheet. So that is the reason we have to do all the poses. So already I taught you how to draw this model sheet for your respective demos. Okay, each and every batch we have to do this turnaround model sheet as per the story guidelines. Okay, so this is once again control enter, because it is beautiful to see this. Okay, the solid drawing means that is the beautiful and good proportionate drawing we have to maintain for the animation. Okay, so that is the meaning for the solid drawing. Okay, so you have to improve this skill. Okay, so then only you will be a good animator. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just ask me. Thank you.